Did you know an entire civilization chose to let itself be destroyed rather than break its most sacred law? The Moriori lived on the Chatham Islands, a remote stretch of ocean far off the coast of New Zealand. For generations, they followed Nunuku's law, a binding code that forbade all warfare and killing. It wasn't weakness, it was identity. It was who they were. Then, in November 1835, around 900 Maori arrived by ship, armed with muskets. They began seizing land and killing people almost immediately. The Moriori called a council. They debated through the night. Some wanted to fight back. They had the numbers. But the council voted to honor the law. Within years, roughly 90% of the Moriori population was dead or enslaved. The question they wrestled with that night has no clean answer. If you abandon your deepest principle to survive, have you actually survived? And if you keep it and your people are destroyed, was the principle worth it? The Moriori said yes. History made them pay for it.